say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be working with this unit from Elfinhair. This is their wavy transparent HD lace. The length is 20 inches. It's straight wavy. The color is black, you can see. So this is the hair I'll be working with today. I'm going to leave the link to this hair on the description box, so if you're interested, you should check that out. I like this unit so much because this transparent lace, you don't need to bleach the knot like this one. I did not bleach the knot, I just installed it the way it came. The texture of the hair is really firm and is 180 density. You can as well bleach the hair if you want. You can change the color to the color that you want. You can see it is so gorgeous. So guys, that is it. If you want to see how I achieve this installation, keep on watching, and please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. If you like this hair, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. So that is it, guys. Just let me leave you guys to watch to see how I install this hair, and I will see you guys very soon. Ciao. It came in this gorgeous package, pink and white. There's something I find out. You can see that the carton is destroyed. You see, this always happens each time I receive any goods from FedEx. Each time, I don't know if it is from the custom or it's from FedEx. They are trying to check what's inside, and after destroying the carton, sometimes they will even change the carton and put it in another carton, which I don't understand, because I only experience this with FedEx shipping companies. Other shipping companies like DHL, TNT, and the rest, when I receive package from them, the cartons, they are always intact. The way the company did the packaging, that is how I will receive it. But each time I receive anything from FedEx, this one is even good. This is what happened. If I tell you guys there's one I received of recent, they use scissors to cut the carton, and it's even almost got to the wig, because they cut the carton, cut the bag almost close to the wig. I was even surprised. I was afraid that it's like they cut the wig, but I found out that it did not touch the wig. I don't know why this always happens each time I receive package from FedEx. So that is that. Let me know in the comment section, how do you pronounce this? Elfinhair. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing it well. The wig came like this, as you guys can see, and they added a wig brush, which is so nice, a comb, a wig cap, a card. All the instruction about the wig is here, and there is another card. Yeah, okay, this card is their wigs at the back. You see, this is so cool. They said we collect all posts who tag us and choose one winner. By random winner, we get value $200 free hair. Wow, that is so good. So in case if you buy, make sure you tag them so that you might be the lucky winner. Tag them so that, who knows, you might be the lucky winner. Okay, you might be a lucky winner. And a pair of lashes added to it. So, and now this is the hair. It's wavy, like the waves. You can see this. The construction of this unit, this is it. Is already pre-plucked, you see, and some baby hairs here. Came with some combs here, and also an adjustable strap. The only thing I did not like about this wig, it just came with just one adjustable strap. They are supposed to put one elastic strap here so that it can hold your scalp firmly to your scalp. I would have appreciated if they did that, but it came with just one adjustable strap. Assuming they added a strap, elastic strap here to hold firmly should have been better. The lace of the wig is brown color. Guys, I think the real pronunciation of this company is Elfinhair. I think so. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Elfinhair. Like, this lace is HD transparent lace. The lace is 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. It is straight slash body wave. The hair is silky, no shedding at the moment. I can't find any shedding, and doesn't have any smell. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to install the wig, and also I'm going to leave the link to the wig on the description box. So if you are interested in getting this wig, you can just head to the description box. I'll leave all the information about it on the description box, so you can check that out in case you are interested. One thing I like about this brown, let me say HD transparent lace, when you wear them, they look more natural to those normal classic lace that you find it difficult blending it and all that. You don't need to do much on the lace. If you want to bleach the knot, you can, and if you choose not to, you can as well leave it like that. You see the scarf. So this is the transparent HD lace wig. You see the way it is now, you don't know the difference between this lace and my scarf, and I did not bleach it. So I'm going to try to leave it this way. I'm not going to bleach the knot, to prove to you guys that even if you don't bleach the knot of this wig, you can wear it like that. Okay, you guys are going to see it. I'm not going to bleach it. And the lace, you see, is 13 by 4. I'm just going to position it well like this. I have cut the excess lace from it. You see, it's not yet glued down, so I'm not going to use glue. So I just want to work on the, let me fix. So I'm just going to work on the baby hair. You see, that's one thing I like about this transparent lace wig. I'll just use styling gel on the edges like this.
Step into the moonlight, get into that good time, believe in the magic, and it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last.
You guys know that it's more easy to install your lace wig this way. If you're the type that doesn't carry your wig for a long time, let's say for a whole day, like me, I carry my wig just for one day. After that, I'll just remove it. I don't sleep with wigs. I always say that I don't sleep with wigs. I'm taking the styling gel just to take the hair backward. So with this, I don't want to wait. I'm going to take out my baby hair. Just going to take a little.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all.
think this one is a little bit bigger than this, but never mind. I'm going to use low heat. I'll tie it with a scarf. I'm just going to add little cream. This cream here.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us.
So I'm going to coil it little. Just give it a little. Yeah, the hair is so soft. I like it that the hair is very, very soft.
Loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like.
So I went ahead to do my makeup.
Lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
This is the material I'm going to clean.
Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only
I'm going to use foundation just to open the middle part a little.
one of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
This is the front.
Only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.